Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of my Amazon video reviews. My name is Andre, and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to introduce you to an amazing wooden easel. In order to review it, specially I invited a famous artist of my apartment, artist named Tatiana. Tatiana became famous after drawing different kind of pictures on walls, refrigerator, furniture, even my face while I was sleeping. In order to play it safe, I decided to purchase this wooden aisle, and I'm so satisfied by it because she started drawing only on it. It has three kinds of drawing. You can easily draw on whiteboard, you can draw even on a chalkboard in behind, you can draw even on a paper because it has a paper roll on top. That's absolutely amazing. What are you drawing?
Butterfly.
That's a butterfly, so amazing. Also, it has different kind of storage in order to keep those crayons, pencils, in order to keep them safe at one place and not in all of the apartment. Also, different kind of tools and utensils in order to make that experience much funnier and happier. Right, Tanya?
Yeah.
You like this wooden easel?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to your friends?
Yeah.
Thumbs up for them? Alright, if you guys are looking for a wooden easel because it's eco-friendly, made from wood, doesn't take a lot of space in your apartment, you should definitely have to consider this one. Just go to Amazon, put it in your basket, push the buy button and get this amazing stuff for yourself. My name is Andre, this is my beautiful daughter Tatiana, and together we approve this message.